50 years of SICK USA, SICK offers a variety of products. We have an extensive portfolio to help our customers solve challenges and changing needs. But before today's solution portfolio, it all started with one product, the light curtain. A single product offering grew into a full range of technologies and services like safe system solutions or other technologies like auto ID, LiDAR or vision solutions to guide robots to execute their tasks. With sensors that can detect, determine the position, measure, identify, protect, control and monitor, among many other things, SICK has grown exponentially, from a single product offering to a full turnkey solution provider, from edge to cloud. We have done this by continuously focusing on independence, innovation and leadership, and this is reflected in our commitment to invest 10 to 12% in R&D annually and our large number of patents connected to our innovation around the globe. We achieved all of this because of the great commitment and dedication of our most valued employees.
The first product that I sold at SICK was the W1000. For those who've been around for a long time, that got introduced 25 years ago, and that product evolved from the W1000 to the W15 to the H18 to the W10 today, made right here at this facility. Currently, I am the Senior Director of Channel Sales, responsible for our distribution channel across the United States. It's the 6th role I have had within the organization. One of my favorite things about SICK is the opportunity to continue to grow and progress inside your career. The biggest change, I would say, is this facility. This facility is amazing. I think back to where we started just a few months ago, where I started 20 years ago. This is a night and day change. Amazing to see the investment the organization is making, not only in its employees, but in a facility like this. Where will SICK be in the next 50 years? It's amazing that the growth we've gone through in the last 50 years and where we can go in the future. In 50 years, we'll continue to be here, but this facility is going to continue to grow and expand. I really believe we're going to overtake our competitors through the people, through the facilities, and through the products.